Hi everyone, my name is Naresh Sharma and I am a student of animation course. Today I am going to present my semester 6 project which I create using Autodesk Maya. In the project I work in 3D where I am doing the texturing, lighting and rendering. Through this my project I learned how to create realistic 3D assets and improve my workflow in Autodesk Maya. Now I will to show you complete project and explain a 3D tactical knife model created in Autodesk Maya. First I started the basic polygon modeling to create the overall shape of the knife. I model different parts of separately such a the blade handle and the guard and refine the structure to achieve this realistic look. After the completing the modeling process, I worked on the texturing the materials. I used to metallic texture and dark surface material to give this nice realistic metal. I also get the grip detailing on the handle to improve the overall design and realism. Next step, I set up the lighting of the scenes, different lights positions and shadow where I adjust the another 3D project I create in Autodesk Maya. I designed the model to Laltain. First I started the basic polygon modeling technical to create overall structure of the Laltain. Different part of the such a base handle and frames and parts and glass selection to wear model separately and then combine together to create a final shape. After completing the modeling process, I work on lighting setup. Let me show you lighting setup and then create a more realistic preparation. Render the scene to create the final output preparation through this project. I improve my practical skills in 3D modeling, lighting setup and rendering and the scenes preparation using the Autodesk. This futuristic drone concept that I currently creating in Autodesk Maya, right? Model is still in the work progress stage and I is not fully complete yet. First I create the basic blocking using the simple shape, two cubes and the cylinder to build up the overall structure of the vehicle. After that I use the tools like extrude and the scale, refine shape and giving the futuristic head to surface design. On the front side I add a weapon like detailings and armor shape that makes the model look like more compact vehicle. I also create a panel cut surface detailing on the top side areas to the add more depth and realism. For the real propellant section, I use the cylinder modeling to duplicate vehicles and the proper based on the models separately so they can later use to animation as well. In the modeling, I mainly use to polygon modeling technicals such as extrude, bevel, instead the edge loop, multi-cut tool and smooth proving. Currently this modeling is the halfway complete. This next step I will continue the adding the more detailing material texture and the setup and lighting rendering or the final output. Thank you everyone. So that's all my side.